Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Lines. I am Aria.
And I am Kai. Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Welcome to our podcast. In this podcast, we speak English slowly. We use simple words. This is for beginners. If you are learning English, you are in the right place.
Yes, we want to help you practice. We will learn new words. We will repeat them, and you can practice with us.
Today, we have a very important topic. Today, we are talking about at the pharmacy.
At the pharmacy. That is a very useful topic. Sometimes we feel sick. Sometimes we need help. We must go to the pharmacy.
Exactly, Kai. Let us start with the first word. The word is pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Pharmacy.
A pharmacy is a store. It is a store where you buy medicine. Listen carefully. Pharmacy. Now it is your turn. Please say pharmacy.
Very good. Let us say it one more time. Pharmacy.
Great job. Now, who works at the pharmacy? The person who works there is a pharmacist.
Pharmacist. Pharmacist. The pharmacist is the person who gives you medicine. They wear a white coat. They help you feel better.
Yes. Let us practice this long word. Listen to me. Pharmacist. Now you try. Say pharmacist.
Excellent. You are doing great. So we have the pharmacy and we have the pharmacist.
Now, why do we go to the pharmacy? We go because we want to buy medicine.
Medicine. Medicine. Medicine helps you when you are sick.
Let us practice. Listen and repeat. Medicine.
Good. Now let us learn some words for when you feel sick. How do you feel?
Sometimes my head hurts. I have a headache.
Headache. Head ache. That means your head hurts a lot.
If you have a headache, you need medicine. Listen to the word. Headache. Now your turn. Say headache.
Very good. What if your throat hurts and you make a loud sound? That is a cough.
Cough. Cough. Cough. When you have a cold, you cough.
Let us practice this word. It sounds different from how it is spelled. Listen. Cough. Now you try. Say cough.
Nice. And what if your body is very hot? You have a fever.
Fever. Fever. When you have a fever, you are sick and hot. You need to rest.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. Fever.
Perfect. So let us review the sick words. Headache, cough, fever.
Good job, Kai. Now, let us learn how to ask for medicine. If you go to the pharmacist, you can say, I have a headache.
I have a headache. That is a very good sentence. Let us practice the sentence. Listen and repeat. I have a headache.
Great. You can also say, I have a fever. Let us practice. Say, I have a fever.
Good work. Now, what does the pharmacist give you? They give you a pill, or they give you a painkiller.
A painkiller is a kind of medicine. It stops the pain. It kills the pain. Painkiller.
Let us say it together. Painkiller. Now you try. Say painkiller.
Sometimes the doctor gives you a special paper. You take this paper to the pharmacy. This paper is called a prescription.
Prescription. Prescription. That is a very big word. Let's break it down. Prescription.
A prescription is a note from your doctor. The pharmacist needs the prescription to give you strong medicine.
Let us practice this big word. Listen carefully. Prescription. Now it is your turn. Say prescription.
Wow, you did it. Very good. Let us do a small role play. A role play is a small story. We act like different people.
Yes, I like role plays. I will be the customer. I am sick. Aria will be the pharmacist.
Okay, let us start. Hello, welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Hello, I feel very sick. I have a bad headache and I have a fever.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a prescription from your doctor?
No, I do not have a prescription. I just need a painkiller, please.
Okay, here is a painkiller for your headache, and here is some medicine for your fever. You need to sleep and drink lots of water.
Thank you so much. How much is it?
It is $10, please.
Here you go. Thank you. Goodbye.
You are welcome. Feel better soon. Goodbye.
And cut. That was a good role play, Aria.
Thank you, Kai. You were a good customer. Now, listener, let us look at some words we used in the role play. Kai said, I have a bad headache.
Yes, if you feel very bad, you can add the word bad. A bad headache, a bad cough.
Let us practice. Say, I have a bad cough.
Excellent. What else do we buy at the pharmacy? Sometimes we don't need medicine. Sometimes we cut our finger.
Ouch! Yes, if you cut your finger, you need a Band-Aid.
Band-Aid. Band-Aid. It covers the cut on your skin. It keeps it clean.
Let us practice this word. Listen, Band-Aid. Now you try. Say Band-Aid.
Very good. You are learning so many new words today.
Yes, learning English takes time, but you are doing great. Let us take a deep breath.
Okay, it is time for our review. The review is when we remember all the words from today.
Let us start. Listen to the word and try to remember what it means. Ready? Number 1, pharmacy.
The pharmacy is the store where you buy medicine.
Number 2, pharmacist.
The pharmacist is the person who works at the pharmacy. They help you.
Number 3, medicine.
Medicine is what you take when you are sick to feel better.
Number 4, headache.
A headache is when your head hurts.
Number 5, fever.
A fever is when your body is very hot.
Number 6, prescription.
Prescription is the special paper from your doctor.
And number 7, Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid is for a small cut on your finger.
Amazing job, everyone. You practiced a lot today. You listened, you repeated the words. You are getting better every day.
Yes, you are. Remember, you can listen to this podcast again. Listening 2 times or 3 times is very good for your English.
Practice makes perfect. Don't worry if you forget a word. Just listen again. We are always here on Daily English Lines.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you don't get sick, but if you do, now you know the words for the pharmacy.
Have a wonderful day, friends. Keep practicing your simple English lines.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.